If you're seeing the ChatGPT message, "Oops, an error occurred," don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This can happen for a number of reasons, including a temporary glitch, a weak internet connection, browser issues, or even overloaded servers. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's start with the easiest solution first: refresh and retry. Click the refresh button on your browser and see if the page loads properly again. If you were in the middle of a chat, you can also click Regenerate Response to try sending the request again. Sometimes ChatGPT just needs a quick reset, and reopening the page can clear the issue. So if refreshing doesn't work right away, close ChatGPT completely and open it again in a new tab or window. Now move on to your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause this error to appear. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, depending on what you're using. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure the signal is strong and the connection is stable. You can also try opening another website to check whether your internet is working properly. If other sites are loading slowly too, the issue may be with your network rather than ChatGPT itself. If the problem still continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache and disable extensions. Over time, cached files and cookies can sometimes interfere with websites like ChatGPT. Go into your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. After that, restart your browser and try again. Also, check if you have any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other extensions installed. Some extensions can interfere with ChatGPT and trigger errors, so temporarily turning them off can help you find out if one of them is causing the problem. If none of those steps work, the issue may simply be on OpenAI's side. Sometimes the servers are busy, overloaded, or under maintenance. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later. You can also make your prompt shorter and simpler. Very long or complex prompts can sometimes trigger errors, especially when the system is under heavy load. Try breaking your request into smaller parts and see if that helps. To quickly recap, first refresh or regenerate the response, then check your internet connection, then clear your cache and disable extensions, and finally, try again later or shorten your prompt. In most cases, one of these steps will get ChatGPT working again. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.